Hello children, I am Jyoti and today we are going to continue the chapter Working with Table. In the previous class, I taught you how to create a table, and after creating a table, if you want to insert a row and column, how you can do that. Suppose you have too many rows and columns and you want to delete them. I taught you how you can do that. Okay. And we also discuss about the column width and the row height, how we can change the column width and the row height. I taught you about the table alignment. If you want to put your table at the left, middle and the right hand side, you can do that also. I taught you about the text alignment also. If you are writing anything inside the table and you want the text in the middle and the top corner and wherever you want it, you can do that by using the text alignment also. Now let's start with the today's topic. Our first topic is to move a table. Okay, so when you click on a table, you notice a plus sign at the upper left corner. Okay, this is called the table move handle, which is used to move a table. So what you are going to do, you just click the table that you want to move. Rest the pointer on the outermost border of the table, that means where you see the plus sign, and drag the border to move the table. Okay. Resize a table. A small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called table resize handle. As you can see in the picture, we have a small hollow square there on the right corner of the table. It is known as table resize handle. This handle is used to resize a table. When you click on the table resize handle, it will convert it into an arrow sign. Okay, then you will click on that arrow and drag the handle to make the table larger or smaller. Okay, merge cell. Click and drag to select the cell that you want to merge. Okay, first you have to just select the cell you want to merge. Then you have to find the merge group on the layout tab. Then you will click on the layout tab and there you will find a merge group. Okay, now you can click on the merge cells to combine the selected cell. Okay, then you have your selected cell will convert it into the one cell, as you can see in the picture. You can do one more thing here. After selecting the cell, okay, to whom you want to merge, you can do the right click. After right click, you have so many options there. You can just select the merge cell from there also. Okay, so I gave you the two steps and two methods also how you can do the merging of cell. Split cell. Okay, that means you have to divide one column or one row into so many. Okay, so how you can do that, you will select the cell to divide, then you will click on this split cells as you can see in the picture and choose how many rows and column you want. Okay, like we have chosen here, so similarly you will choose how many rows and column you want. Okay, after selecting the number of rows and columns you want, then just click OK. Once you click OK, then the cell you have selected will convert into the number of rows and the column you wanted. Okay, the similar method we can do for the splitting the cells also. What we can do, we select the cell, we just click the right click, and then after right click you have an option of splitting a cell also, and you can choose the number of rows and column from there also. Okay, this two methods for splitting the cell and two methods for the merging the cell. Okay, in this slide you are going to learn how we can insert a picture in a table. So what you have to do, you just click in the table where you want to insert a image or picture. Then you will click the insert tab. In the illustration group you have an option click the picture button. Okay, then you will just click there. Then locate the file image on your PC and storage system from where you want to select the picture. Then you have to go there, and then you have to click the image you want to, yeah, just select the image you want to insert. Okay, after selecting the image, you just click the insert button and your image will be inserted in the place where you want it to be inserted. Clear? This is the activity you people have to do. For that, you have to open the Word document. Then you will insert a table using the Insert tab. You will define 4 columns and 5 rows for your table. And then you will select the first row and merge the cells. And then you will type the heading tables of vitamin. Okay. Similarly, you will just do and you will write the things as I have given you in the table, like vitamin, sources, function, image, and you will write in a similar way. And at last you will just insert an image of vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin D as I have inserted in the table. Okay. Thank you children, and please stay at your home and be safe. Take care.